Hello viewers, today I am going to show you Boomerang paper plane. How to make. Let's start the beginning. You have to divide a A4 size paper into two parts. Then fold it. Fold like this that I have created. This paper plane is really easy to make. After you make this plane, you can see that this paper plane come back again and again if you throw it. This is a nice paper plane and it's really very good boomerang. You can see this fold is accurately this line. You have to fold accurately and balance this paper as like it. Dear viewers, in my channel you can see that I have created already 100 of paper plane. You can see all of the paper plane is really very good in style and flying like very good, flying like awesome, flying like a bat, like a boomerang, like and fly far, fly long, every kind of paper plane you can see in my channel. If you want to see my next video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching and please like, share if you want. Ta-da for today.